happy 2026. Hopefully everybody, this new year has started off good. You're chasing goals, resolutions, I don't know, all that good stuff. You know, a lot of people that do the resolution stuff, some people just continue chasing their goals, some people start new goals, whatever it may be, right? I don't do the resolution stuff anymore. I've always just tried to set goals. I've been strong with them for the last couple years, going continuous and just staying strong after them. This year I really need to focus on more. On YouTube, just trying to do more of that, focus on doing more of that for us, getting better content, you know, better video, that kind of stuff. Maybe some days, sooner than later, we'll do that. But, anyways, we're here starting our race week up in Glen Helen. It's nasty weather. You can see behind me, the wind is just almost don't want to be here, but hey, we're going to stick it out and do it. I mean, so yeah, we're here at Glen Helen Raceway, starting our 2026 season off for Bonfire Short Course Series. We're going to try and make it through. Unfortunately, it's hard to be on the track, you know, because it does affect Luke's driving in the jumps. We already have one of our fellow racers totaled his car in an earlier race. He went off one of the jumps and the wind caught him and just shifted him in the air when he landed. Cartwheel, he rolled 3 or 4 times, totaled the car. So weekend, unfortunately. So yeah, it sucks always when you like this. But we'll just deal with it. You just got to take it a little easy on the track. Can't go as big, you know, and just fight it. So anyways, we're here and we're going to do this. And we'll try and get a little bit for you guys here and there. It's just been close. So we're trying to make the win, fighting everything going on. But yeah. Behind me, you probably can't hear me because of wind. And see all the dust? It's just still a lot of people hanging out racing. There it is. We got our Junior 2s down here racing the Bonfire Short Course Series at Glen Helen. So this was Luke's first kart, his first race car. This is where he started, this Junior 2. So the people that bought it, if you watched our video a month ago or so, they came down and picked it up. They live up by Stockton, Sacramento area. So they made the drive down to Glen Helen to race the Bonfire. So it's pretty cool getting to see our kart because we bought it from somebody that we still race with. Moved it, and now we bought it from we sold it to some people that we become friends with now too. We're actually cool with them, and they're down here racing Bonfire, man, getting out on the track. So pretty cool to see Action Jackson on the track there. So this is the first time he's stoked on this thing. His dad said, man, he's just stoked on this thing. Really cool. So he's digging it. They got the this was the very first body that we bought. I'm sorry, not bought, but came with it, and it's still usable. It's a Frankenstein, but they put some more tape on it. We did a couple fiberglass patches on it, but they put some tape on it, taped her up. So he's got a couple more bodies that we sold him, but he's using this thing, man. It's still usable. So it's looking good, man. We even got a couple of stickers still on there. Danny's Custom Cycles is still on there. Throttle Roots is still on there. So yeah, Great American Short Course is still on there. What happened to you guys, man? You guys just gone, disappeared. We got Bonfire had to take over. So anyways, pretty rad, dude. It's cool to see him make the trek down here for the Bonfire and get to see this thing on the track still. Another kid ripping it. They say he's a little tiny guy, dude. They reset the seat, so they did a different seat in it. they had to move the pedals way back. They moved the steering wheel closer to him a little bit, so they had to do a little setup to it to get him in it because he's a lot shorter, smaller than Luke. We started late in the game, so Luke was taller than what most kids are in the junior twos. So, anyways, he's here at staging, getting ready to go. The other one's up there, so we're gonna go. We're gonna get back to the rig here in a few and get ready for our next race. So get going. But anyways, trying to get some of the good action going on for you guys. So if you're watching, hope you're enjoying it, and we'll try to keep getting more stuff for you guys and keep doing better videos and get you guys more entertaining stuff. So anyways, thanks for checking out. I'll get back to you in a few. Ready to go for the first race. We're just waiting for him to come over to the track. Looks right now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other cars right now going with him. He's all suited up, getting antsy. What do you think?
It's really windy.
Gonna suck, huh?
Yeah.
First time driving windy conditions, I think, in this car. We've had like a little bit of breeze, but not wind, so it's gonna make it definitely difficult this time. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, we're here just waiting for it to go. Looks like they got quads. They got some 90cc, 70cc smaller quads going in front of us, and then we'll be going. So, anyways, keep tight, and we'll be out to the track here hopefully in a few. anyways, we're just getting back to town from our first weekend of racing for 2026. Bonfire Short Course started our season off. Overall, it was an okay weekend. Racing wise, wasn't bad. He did good. I think our car, the top end, maybe going and smoking a little bit, so I think we're gonna have to do some rings on our top end. Other than that, he did good. But it was windy all weekend long. From the time we got there Friday night to today, packed up and leaving, so it was just miserable as far as that part. But he had a decent class, decent amount of cars. So anyways, try to get a little bit for you guys. Like I said, we just got to get more cameras, find something to help us so we can get some cameras mounted on the car and get some better footage for you guys, so you hopefully enjoy it more and like to stay tuned in. But so if you watched it, checked out, thanks for checking our video. And here it is, the 2026 first weekend of racing is finished, wrapped up, back in town, getting home. And now it's time to get the car torn down a little bit, wash it, clean it, get all prepped and ready. Hopefully it's still okay running. I don't know, I don't seem to have any major issues as far as loss of power, I didn't say, but and get ready for next month, February. We'll be racing again next month, February, at Glen Helen, but we'll be racing the Course Series, different series. So we'll be racing theirs next month at Glen Helen, like I say. So anybody close to Glen Helen, come out, watch, support us. Check out the short course racing. It's really a lot of fun. It's cool. Anyways, and hopefully, we'll see you guys soon. We'll have a video here and there between that one. We won't wait that long to get another video for you, but our racing for us, Luke being back in the car racing, doing our short course racing, will be next month, I say February, back at Glen Helen. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for stopping by.